What up, my dudes, and welcome back to the channel. I have 4 awesome Matchbox cars to crack open today, and one of them is very, very special, and we're going to save it for the very end. Now, as you may know, I am mostly a Hot Wheels guy, but I've been having a lot of fun picking up these Matchbox cars. So let's jump right into it, and let's start with this guy. We got a Freightliner M2-106. I don't even know why I got this one. I just saw it on the peg, and I thought it was kind of neat. Yeah. Kind of cool. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Take a real brief look at it. Aha, there we go. Nice little detail in this guy. It's got side view mirrors. It's got blue tinted windows. It's got a lot of paint detail in there. Wheels look nice. Pretty cool little fire truck. Got the water tank in the back. Yeah, I don't know why. I just thought it was kind of cool, so I picked it up. And it's only $1, so who cares? I actually happened to get all these cars, except for the last one, at the same Dollar General where I found that super treasure hunt. So I've been going back there, hoping to see if I can get lightning to strike twice in the same place. All right, next one up, we got us another Dodge Charger. Really like the details in this casting. Great wheels. The wheels and tires look fantastic. Nice headlight and taillight tampos. Super amped on this one. I think this casting is really something cool. Yeah, nice metallic blue paint. Side view mirrors, that's definitely a plus. We got the front windows rolled down so you can see the black interior. Nice steering wheel. Let's see here. There's the headlights, which look great. Very, very nice, and the tails as well. Really nice casting. I'm actually really impressed with this one. Very cool. I want to find a black one someday. I don't know if one even exists, but hopefully Matchbox will make one if it doesn't exist at the moment. That way it'll look like my brother's car. All right, next one up. An awesome Civic. Now, I don't think Hot Wheels makes this model Civic. And I was confused on that for a while until I saw this on the peg, and I was like, oh, well, that's probably why. They gave that one to Matchbox to do. It's like, okay, Mattel, no worries. I'm down. It's got nice headlights and taillights. And I want to look at it up close. So let's go ahead and set it free. And let's have a look-see. There we go. Again, side view mirrors. I mean, that's what I really like about Matchbox. They seem to have a lot of realistic castings, and they seem to put a lot of side view mirrors. There we go, got rolled up windows. There's the taillights. It says Civic, which is awesome. The Honda H and the Civic tampos are very easy to read, even though they're super tiny. Nice job, Mattel. Well done. The Sport right there. Headlights and the H in the front look great. What an awesome casting. What an awesome casting indeed. Well, I don't think I showed the base on any of them, but they're all real simple. We'll check them out real quick anyway. There we go. There's the Charger. And there is the fire truck. Oops, sorry about that, you guys. Yeah, really like these castings so far. Matchbox is really wowing me lately. I think that they're awesome. And this next one is something special for sure. We have a Premier Collection Matchbox World Class Series. One of only 25,000 made, which is not that rare in my opinion, but it's all good. But look at this, a Countach in purple. In purple. You guys know me, you've been watching my channel, you know purple's my favorite color. You know the Countach is my all-time favorite car. And look at this super detailed purple Matchbox Countach, limited edition. Super awesome. Let's take a look at the back. Let's see here. These outstanding features: realistic exteriors, highly detailed interiors, soft rubber tires on chrome plated wheels. Awesome. We got Countach, Ferrari F40, Testarossa, 57 Chevy, GTO, Challenger, Z3. I'm just naming the ones I like. And wow. 1997? Holy smokes, this car is old. And it looks like way back then it was only $3.99. I paid a little bit more than that, but I don't feel bad because it looks awesome. All right, let's get to cracking. There we go. Let's set it free after all these years. Excellent. Being extra careful with it. Check that out, you guys. Goodyear Tampo on the rubber tires. It's got nice tread on there. Got some chrome looking 5-spokes. Big old wing, which I like. Oh, cool. The Lambo emblem is nice and easy to understand. Got a windshield wiper. So cool. Yeah, the interior looks really good. Hope you guys can see that okay. Let's check out the taillights. I'm fast. Awesome. So cool. Really nice detail on the taillights. Got a purple base. LP 500S. Wow, this casting is very special. I even like what they did with the windows. Put that little black border on there. Oh, I just love this car. Super amped right now. I mean, I am absolutely taken back right now. This car is sick. Love it. I mean, it stands a little tall. I wish it was a little bit lower, but back in the 90s, they didn't really put that kind of detail. Yeah, see if it just sat like that, it'd be even better. But it looks like it has suspension. That's kind of cool. Love this car. All right, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for joining me this afternoon. Again, I'm super sorry about the late video. I've just been crazy busy lately. There's not much I can do about that. I'm sorry. I'll try to get videos out in the morning before I head out. That way, you know, you won't have to wait until the afternoon to check out my Hot Wheels finds. But yeah, thank you again. I love this community so much. Collecting Hot Wheels has been such an awesome hobby. Love it a lot. I really, really do. And if you happen to be new here and you collect Hot Wheels too, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Again, my name is Jesse and I post diecast videos every single day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.